In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use collections in Bitwarden if you're looking to optimize and organize your password management. Understanding and leveraging collections can be a game changer. First, we need to get started by visiting the Bitwarden website. You can either open your preferred web browser and type in bitwarden.com or simply follow the link to the homepage. This platform is well-renowned for its robust security measures, making it ideal for personal, business, and enterprise use. Now, once you're on the main Bitwarden page, the next step is to log in. On the top right corner, you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have your username and password ready. If you're someone who uses two-factor authentication, you might need to verify your identity as well. Take a moment to log in securely to gain access to your vault. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself inside the Bitwarden vault. This is your personal hub where all your stored login information, cards, identities, and notes are kept safe. However, today we're diving into the organizational aspect. So the next thing you want to do is locate the new organization option. This will typically be displayed within your account interface. Once you've clicked on New Organization, it's time to enter the necessary details. A form will appear, asking for essential information about your organization, such as its name and the type of organization it is. Take your time filling this out, ensuring all the details are correct, as this information will help you manage your collections more effectively. When you've filled in all fields, go ahead and click Submit. This action sets up the basic framework that allows collections to be created and utilized effectively. At this point, you'll want to navigate to the Collections section, which is vital for efficient organization of your vault items. Take a moment to explore the options within, as collections help categorize and separate information based on projects, departments, or even security levels, depending on your needs. By grouping items into collections, you allow yourself and your team to access only the information relevant to them, improving both security and usability. As we wrap up this tutorial, remember that collections are a powerful feature in Bitwarden that enable you to organize your digital assets with precision. Embrace this tool to enhance your security posture and streamline access within your organization. Thank you for joining me today, and happy managing!